Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. This is my post-market wrap-up on another freak show of a day. Seriously, absolute freak show. Thursday, May 14, 2020. Actually, the market isn't closed yet. The closing bell goes off in about 4 minutes. But what's going to change in 4 minutes? So if you hear bang, 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 you know that's what's going on. Let's talk here. This market made some kind of a supernatural turnaround today. An 800-point swing, at least, off the low. It's incredible. Stocks were down at one point almost 460. And let's see. Let's do this together. Yeah. And right now, the Dow is up 310. That's pretty incredible. It's a whopping turnaround here. Okay, so what's going on? We got another abysmal jobs report. Another 3 million people lost their jobs. Every single time we've had a report like this, stocks go higher. But that's not the driving force behind this market right now. The market, regardless of what Yellowstain is saying, the market wants and will get negative rates. It's being priced into the market right now. So you need to start for yourself, you need to start thinking ahead. If you are not participating in this stock market, negative rates are going to burn you badly as the banks start to siphon cash directly out of your accounts. So you need to start either stashing whatever cash you might have in a shoebox, under your mattress, or something along those lines, unless, of course, you want to be robbed on an epic scale. Negative rates are going to prove to be very positive for the banks. I mean, that's what this is all about. When you have President Trump talking about negative rates, we need negative rates, he won't explain to the people who are not in the market or are not smart enough to understand the mechanism behind it, what it means for them, and he won't do it. All you're going to hear about is we need negative rates. Meanwhile, I posted earlier, back in 2016, President Trump was not at all for low rates. He explained the damage that low rates cause to the average guy, the average girl. But today, not only does he want low, he wants negative. It's amazing what happens to you once you're sat down in that Oval Office, maybe shown the Kennedy assassination a few times and told how it really works. Maybe it changes your mindset a little bit here. But the market right now had this turnaround. Be ready for that closing bell. It's going to be kind of loud. On the promise or the hope that negative rates are coming and stocks will skyrocket. That's what this is all about. Millions, tens of millions of people can lose their jobs. Small businesses being culled across the spectrum don't matter. If we get negative rates or unlimited liquidity, which has been promised by the likes of Steve Mnuchin, Larry Kudlow, stocks will gain. There's the closing bell. I'll check where this closed for you in just a moment here. So I really want you to get a perspective on what you can expect. The market's pricing this in. So what does it mean? So I covered this over the last 2 days, that this market would be pricing in some kind of a negative rate environment, and it looks like it's proving to be true. So once again, this guy has kept you ahead of the curve, and I'm really trying to do that here. Start thinking about what it means for you. If you are in the stock market, okay, if you have positions in XYZ, what positions should you be holding? It's very simple. Large cap, high dividend paying stocks. If you are in these, and President Trump gets his wish, which he will. This is staged. The good cop, bad cop. When negative rates come, stocks are going to take off. If you are not in the market, if you're just a guy or girl trying to get by, trying to put a few dollars away, you cannot keep your capital in a financial institution. You will be robbed. Legal theft on an epic scale is going to take place. Look, this is the decimation and elimination of the middle class. It plays right into what I've been explaining to you since time immemorial. The creation of a two-tier society, extreme haves, extreme have-nots. And if you're a member of the middle class, I've told you for years, you are in a lot of trouble. You are under attack, major attack. So you need to start thinking a little bit down the line here what all this is going to mean for you, because the president will not tell you. I don't care how much you support the president. He won't explain to you what it means for you. It's going to make people who own stocks very happy. Very, very happy. And I am more than certain he will earn some votes here. But if he gets negative rates, and he will, he's going to earn the vote of many people who are participating in the stock market that don't care. All they want is to see their investments grow. All they want is to get more wealthy so they can buy more assets. You understand? That's what's going to happen. Period. The end. The charade, though, is going to be laughable. You're going to hear the arguments on both sides, just like we did last time. Good cop, bad cop. It's already been decided. It's being priced into the market. Negative rates are coming. All right, let's give you a market follow-up. Okay, so look at this. 800 points, over 800. An over 800 point swing today. We were down 460. We finished up 377 on the Dow. Oil put on a nice gain, 8.62%. Bitcoin just about 9,700. It's going to 10 again. I told you how to play this recently. I'll go over that in a second. Rates, you got the 10-year yield, 0.62. I don't like it there. I really don't like it there. You know that if you follow my work. It's pretty simple. Anyway, gold and silver did put on gains today. Paper derivative as well. Me and my Lions are doing good in these spots. Anyway, with regard to Bitcoin real quick, wait for it to break out above 10. Above 10. Pull back to about 10, and there's your buy point. Okay, I will keep all of you on top of that. As a matter of fact, when I buy more Bitcoin, if you are a subscriber to my newsletter, it's 100% free. Right in the description of this video, okay? I sent out 2 messages today. I will tell you when I think you should be buying more Bitcoin. You understand? All right? I promise to keep all of you on top of this, and I am doing that. I think you would have to agree. So again, the scenario is very, very simple. What's happening in our economy, we have none. Small businesses are shuttering forever. Millions and millions, tens of millions of people are losing their jobs. Millions more are going to lose their jobs as well. The Fed is going to backstop this entire thing. Negative rates are already a lock. I said this in a tweet yesterday or the day before. I said when the market realizes that negative rates are a lock, you would see what we saw today. And the market knows negative rates are a lock. So the charade between the president and Powell, they already talked behind closed doors. They know where we're going. The president understands we're getting negative rates. He would not put himself out here like this. Like last time, remember, we need lower rates. We got to cut rates. Fed was like, no, 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 no. What happened? Fed cut rates. Same thing. It's a game. You are a pawn in a game. Unless you know how to capitalize on this, you will be manipulated. You will have your head spun around. You will not know which way is up or down. But the facts are simple. It has been decided. The president knows negative rates are coming. He can't tell you that. It must be played out like on a stage, like a sitcom, before the world, before it actually happens. And you're going to be sold this for many of the, in fact, all of the major news outlets are going to push it. Just like vaccines, okay? We found out that President Trump just selected a vaccine czar. Now, we also found out today, and I posted this all over the place. Fox News covered it, Reuters, everywhere. President Trump is going to be calling on the military to administer a coronavirus vaccine. President Trump and Bill Gates are teaming up on this. Bill Gates has said there'll be a vaccine in 12 months. The president's calling this warp speed, that he wants his vaccine now, and the military is going to inject it right into you. Look it up for yourself. If you don't believe me, look up everything I say for yourself. I hardly ever post links here. You know why? Because I want you to do a little work. I want you to sit there and say, is Greg lying to me? Maybe I should look this up. Exactly. You understand? Anyway, so very simple, massive turnaround in the market today, all because the market knows negative rates are coming. I can't wait to watch the game, the charade, the back and forth talk between Yellowstone and President Trump. Is going to be quite interesting. With that said, people, again, think ahead. What is it going to mean for you when negative rates actually come? When you go to your bank and you see every month they're taking money out of your account, not putting it in as if you would earn interest. No, taking it out every month. And what the bank is going to do is very simple. Understand how a deposit works. When you put a deposit into the bank, they lend out 90% of it, and they charge whatever rate they want to. Negative rates doesn't mean the banks aren't going to charge anything. Of course, they can charge whatever they want to. The credit cards are going to charge 20, 30, 40%. That's not going to change. Not going to change. What is going to change is the depositors are going to be robbed. You are going to be robbed once this happens. Once this happens. If you're in the stock market, you're going to make some money. You're going to make some money here. But anyway, you should be betting against this debt, becoming your own central bank, holding physical gold, physical silver more importantly, and in my opinion, the big cryptocurrencies. You know that, okay? They're not going to win. I don't care what they try to do. Negative rates are not going to stop me. It's not going to stop my Lions, and I hope it won't stop you. Okay, you understand? They're not going to win. They can't. We're invincible. You understand? If we know what's going to happen, okay, we know what to do moving forward. We cannot be beaten. I will never let that happen on my watch to a single one of you. All right, this guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. And I will see you in the morning. It'll be just as lovely as now.